The new IntelliDial laundry control system combines the features of electronic controls in a dial user interface. Use the troubleshooting guide for diagnosis. To access the troubleshooting guide, remove the 3 screws on top of the console. Roll the console forward and remove the troubleshooting guide. On the troubleshooting guide are instructions on how to enter the service mode, display and clear service codes, perform a console switch test, and enter the service cycles. Turn the guide over to view the wiring diagram and troubleshooting procedures. To enter the service mode, begin at the power off position. Rotate the cycle selection knob clockwise twice past power off and stop at regular. Rotate the cycle selection knob counterclockwise back to regular. Press the cycle selection knob to enter the service mode. To exit the service mode, rotate the cycle selection knob to power off and press. Wait 5 minutes or remove power. To verify the model identification, first enter the service mode. Rotate the cycle selection knob to hand wash and press the CSK. Once again, the LEDs are illuminated at the bottom of the dial. Match the illuminated LEDs to the chart on the troubleshooting guide to identify the model. To display the service codes, enter the service mode. Rotate the dial to rinse and spin and press the CSK. Press once for each code. Codes are displayed newest to oldest. The machine beeps 3 times after the last code is displayed. To clear a service code, display a code, then press and hold the CSK knob until the machine beeps twice. The rinse and spin LEDs will stop blinking. Refer to the diagnostic code chart in the troubleshooting guide. Match the illuminated LEDs around the bottom of the dial to the codes in the chart. To perform the service cycle test, enter the service mode, then set the dial to regular and press the CSK. The first cycle is a hot water fill. The fill and wash LEDs will illuminate. Press the CSK for the next cycle, which is a cold water fill. The fill and rinse LEDs will illuminate. Press the CSK again for a selected wash temperature fill. The fill, wash, and rinse LEDs will illuminate. Slow agitation is the next cycle. The wash LED will illuminate. Fast agitation is next in the order. The wash LED will blink. After fast agitation comes slow spin. The spin LED will illuminate. The last cycle is fast spin. The spin LED will blink. After the last cycle is finished, the complete LED will illuminate. Press the CSK to return to the service mode. While in service mode, set the dial to delegates and press the CSK to enter the console switch test. Rotate the dial through the LED pattern. Notice the pattern changes with every dial position. The CSK test is complete when all the LEDs are blank. Press the CSK to move to the first switch. The test begins with the switch immediately to the left of the cycle selection knob. Rotate the switch in either direction. The LEDs illuminate around the bottom of the dial for each switch position. Any attempt to move a knob or switch other than the one being tested results in a chirp sound. Press the CSK to move to the next switch. After cycling through all the rotary switches, the test continues with any rocker switches present. When all the switches have been tested, the complete LED will illuminate. This completes the IntelliDial troubleshooting and diagnostics.